Welcome. Today we'll check if the phone that I have in front of me, OnePlus Nord 2 5G from the European distribution, has a protective case in the box. If so, what kind of the case it is and how it fit on the phone, how it looks on the phone. So let's quickly open it. Here we can find the OnePlus Nord 2 and let's open it like that. Here we got the charger, cable, and the case we can find in this place. And as you can see, it's silicone case with nice grip. It's not very thin, so it will definitely protect your phone. And let's put it like that. As you can see here, we have on the right side, we have easy access to this signature slider from OnePlus. It looks almost the same like on the iPhone. And it covers edges. And let me zoom in a little bit to show you better how it looks. So as you can see, it covers edges. Also, it protects our lenses. So when you put your phone like that or like that, you don't have to be afraid, because this case, it's really nice. And as you can see here, we got the bumpers that will protect the display and also our lenses. Also, we can find on the smartphone factory installed screen protection, very thin foil. So that's great from the OnePlus. They just add additional stuff to the smartphone like case, screen protection, and also charger, because as you know, some brands doesn't include chargers in the boxes. And basically that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.